everyone, I am Aika Roldan, BSBA student, major in Financial Management, and I am here to discuss about Episode 2, Unveiling the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, BSP, which includes historical background of the BSP, highlight of rule as the Central Bank and Monetary Authority, the breakdown organizational structure of the BSP, and to discuss the key functions it performs in managing monetary policy. So now, I am here to tell you about the historical background of the BSP. The Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, BSP, was established on July 3, 1993 through the Republic Act No. 7653, otherwise known as the New Central Bank Act. However, its origin traced back to the creation of the country's first central bank, the Bangko Espanyol Pilipino de Isabel II. In 1851, over the years, the Philippines saw various iterations of central banking institutions until the establishment of the BSP as an independent monetary authority tasked with maintaining price stability and fostering a stable financial system. So now, we will move to the next topic, which is rule as a central bank and monetary authority. As a central bank of the Philippines, the BSP plays a crucial role in the country's economic and financial landscape. Its primary functions include formulating and implementing monetary policy, issuing currency, regulating and supervising financial institutions, managing foreign exchange reserves, and promoting financial stability. Organizational structure of the BSP. The BSP's organizational structure consists of several key departments and offices responsible for different aspects of central banking operations. These include the monetary stability sector, which oversees monetary policy, formulation and implementation, the supervision and examination sector, responsible for regulating and supervising banks and other financial institutions. As the resource management sector, which manages the BSP's resources and operations. Additionally, there are support units such as the Corporate Affairs Group of the Security Plan Complex. So now, I am here to tackle about key functions in managing monetary policy. Number 1. Formulating monetary policy. The BSP formulates monetary policy to achieve its primary mandate of maintaining price stability while also considering the country's economic growth objectives. Number 2. Implementing monetary policy through various monetary policy tools such as open market operations, reserve requirements, and policy interest rates, the overnight reverse repurchase rate. The BSP implements its monetary policy decisions to influence money supply and credit conditions in the economy. Number 3. Currency issuance and management. The BSP has the sole authority to issue currency in the Philippines. It ensures an adequate supply of currency in circulation while maintaining its integrity and security. Number 4. Regulating and supervising financial institutions. The BSP regulates and supervises banks and other financial institutions to promote a sound and stable financial system. This includes licensing, examination, and enforcement of prudential regulations to mitigate risk and protect depositors and investors. Number 5. Managing foreign exchange reserves. The BSP manages the country's foreign exchange reserve to support the stability of the Philippine peso and facilitate international trade and payments.